Have you ever wondered why paysafe, a popular online payment platform, seems so familiar? It's like you've heard the name before, but can't quite place it. Well, today, we're going to delve into the history of paysafe and uncover its original moniker. Before we dive into the main topic, let's take a quick look at what paysafe is and what it does. Paysafe is a multinational online payment service provider that offers a range of payment solutions, including e-wallets, prepaid cards, and payment processing services. It's used by millions of people worldwide for online shopping, gaming, and other digital transactions. The original name. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. What was paysafe's old name? The answer might surprise you. Before it was known as paysafe, it was called Optimal Payment Solutions. The rebranding. So, why did they change their name? The rebranding was part of a strategic move to consolidate several of the company's brands under a single umbrella. Optimal Payment Solutions had acquired several other payment companies, and the new name, paysafe, was chosen to reflect the company's broader range of services and its global reach. The impact of the rebranding. The rebranding had a significant impact on the company's brand identity and perception. The new name was more memorable and easier to pronounce, making it more accessible to a wider audience. It also helped to position paysafe as a leading player in the online payment industry. The legacy of Optimal Payment Solutions. While the name Optimal Payment Solutions may no longer be in use, its legacy lives on. The company's original founders and employees continue to contribute to the success of paysafe, and the knowledge and experience gained during the early years of the company have helped to shape its current direction. Additional insights. Early days. Before becoming Optimal Payment Solutions, the company was known as Moneybookers. This was the original name of the e-wallet service that would later become a cornerstone of paysafe's offerings. Acquisitions and growth. Paysafe's growth has been fueled by a series of strategic acquisitions. In addition to Optimal Payment Solutions, the company has acquired other notable payment brands such as Neteller and Skrill. Global expansion. Paysafe has expanded its operations to many countries around the world. It is regulated by various financial authorities and offers localized payment solutions to meet the needs of different markets. So, there you have it. Paysafe's original name was Optimal Payment Solutions. The rebranding was a significant milestone in the company's history, and it has helped to establish paysafe as a trusted and respected name in the online payment industry. If you're interested in learning more about paysafe or online payments in general, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative and engaging content. We'll keep you updated on the latest trends and developments in the industry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.